Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is the 1st of June, 2021, taking a look at Cardano's chart here. So really, it's doing what we have been looking at it do. And something I talked about yesterday was there seems to be a lot of persistence on the bulls to keep the lagging span above the candlesticks. And I mentioned that, this would probably, like we'd see Cardano pretty much range. From here to between buck 76 before Thursday. Let's see, today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, and then here's this Thursday candlestick for the lagging span is over here, and we would need to see it trading above and close above 177. So that's where we're currently at. We did cross above the Kijinsen. That is very bullish. We had that close yesterday, and now we're just kind of floating around in here. This is a doji of dojis right there. Very indecisive day right where we're at. The broader market is trading lower, the cryptocurrency market is, but Cardano is kind of one of the outliers in that it's actually showing a little bit of green, but not a ton. There was a huge order that came in around 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. There was 3.125 million traded here, and I actually didn't break it down. It looks like it was a single order, 2.987. This is on the 1-minute chart, but we can break it down a little bit. Let's go 30-second chart. See what that said. On the 30-second chart, excuse me, a 2.612 million traded there, and then there was roughly 380,000 sold, 36 not sold, but that's what was happening. And I want to break it down a little bit further here. 15-second chart, around 12. Yeah, this had to be kind of a single order placement. 2.584 million were traded around that time, around 12:30, 12:33. It's a lot of participation. I'll go back to the hourly, the daily chart. Key levels ahead to look for remain any of the high volume nodes here. I mean, this is a situation that could see Cardano very easily move higher. We're presently below the first oversold conditions, the two oversold conditions in a bull market. I've left them up there because we could transition into a bull market very easily. We see the composite index crossing above the slow moving average, but it doesn't look very I don't know what the word is looking for. It doesn't look very convincing to me, is I guess the word. It doesn't look like there's a lot of oomph, which is technically a normal thing I don't know if it's technical. It's really a normal thing to see like this when you are right on the cusp of some type of huge fake out or huge breakout. It's normal to kind of see participation kind of go, I don't know. This is why I love stop orders or buy stops and sell stops, because it's like you watch everybody else get bloody and you just kind of join the winning side. There's no honor in that at all, but I don't care. This isn't a battle. This isn't a fight. This isn't sports. This is my money, and I just want to join the winning side. There is when you look at the volume profile from where we're at, it's easier to move up than it is to move down. Keep that in mind. The volume profile is thinner the higher we move up versus moving down. There is on the RSI evidence of a bear flag here, so that could play out. Yeah, it's just, even the lagging span, if it were to close at like around 150, 148, I mean, that is something that would probably generate a lot of shock and activity within Cardano's price action. Weekly chart, we're not really much change. We're still inside the trading range of last week's trading range. We are technically higher by 10.9%, which is nice. And we're just a hair above the Tenkan-sen on the weekly chart. If we close above the Tenkan-sen on the weekly chart, and if we exceed last week's volume, that'll be something to pay attention to. But otherwise, yeah, I mean, there's just not a whole ton of stuff to really kind of write home about and get super excited about. I mean, on the hourly chart, some of you will see this a number of hours later. But on the hourly chart, there's a really nice high volume node that we could see crack above, and we're trading above it right now. And this is a awesome bull flag continuation pattern off of a head and shoulders pattern. But I mean, I don't know where the follow through is at. It's just not coming in just yet. So we'll have to see. I think we'll know more tomorrow. This is the first official trade day of the week because here in the States because of Memorial Day yesterday. But we'll just watch what happens. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.